Hi, Charles this side. So today's product is Lorenz curve. It is a graphical representation of the distribution of income or wealth within a population. It plots the cumulative percentage of total income received against the cumulative percentage of recipients, starting with the poorest individual or household. The further the Lorenz curve is from the line of equality, a 45-degree line, the greater the inequality in the distribution. You can see that we have an income column that is used to represent the incomes of the population, and the field for the country year, which is usable if we want to show and compare multiple Lorenz curves. Let's add license keys to see what features are available in this chart. Okay, you can see that these are the features available with this chart. User can show and hide the axes according to their need. We also have the Gini coefficient, which is situated left below the chart. It is usable in the case where we have more than one data for the year/country/category and to decide the best year or country. We also have the zoom in and zoom out feature. To see this horizontal and vertical lines just on it with the visual settings. If you are unable to see the dots, you can increase its size. Basically, dots are used to represent the population. Suppose if we have the 2 dots, then the population count will be 2. This is the top N, means the top incomes are selected and used as the data to create this chart. This is a category data selector. If we have country-wise or year-wise data, we can use this drop-down to watch the Lorenz curve of the particular country year. Suppose if we have more than one column, we can use this drop-down. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.